So for the Spellbound Slouchy Beanie, you're going to need the size H 5mm hook, size G 4mm hook, and Lion Brand's Heartland yarn, and this is the color Glacier Bay. So we will start with a magic circle, and this is how I make mine, kind of like how I do my slip knots, but instead of pulling it shut, I leave it open. And then you will chain 2. This does not count as a stitch, and it won't throughout the pattern. Then you're going to double crochet 12 double crochets into the magic circle. For row 2, you're going to chain 2, double crochet 2 into the same stitch as your chain, and then do 2 double crochets into each stitch around. Once you are finished with this, you should have 24 stitches. For row 3, you're going to chain 2, double crochet 2 into the same stitch, and then double crochet into the next 2. So the next 2, 1, 2. So 1 double crochet, and then 2. And then 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and you will repeat this all the way around. Row 4, you're going to chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and then double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Two double crochet into the next stitch, and then repeat this pattern all the way around. Row 5, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, then double crochet into the next 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4. Two double crochet into the next stitch and repeat this pattern around until the end of the row. Row 6, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and then double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Two double crochets into the next stitch, and then repeat this pattern around until the end of the row. Row 7 is our last row of increases, so you will chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and then double crochet into the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you will do 2 double crochet into the next stitch and repeat this pattern around until the end of the row. Now that we are finished increasing, we're just going to chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, and then double crochet once in each stitch around until the end of the row. We will do this for rows 8 through 17. Once you're finished with your 10 rows, you're going to switch to the size G crochet hook. For row 18, you're going to chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next stitch, and then you're going to work a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same stitch again. And then we will repeat this pattern all around the row. So here to make it a little bit clearer so you can see me skip the next stitch and then double crochet into the next, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same stitch. Row 19, you're going to chain 2, double crochet into that same stitch, and then what's different about this is next you will double crochet into the next chain space right here. So double crochet into that chain space, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same chain space. We will repeat this all around the row until the end. Row 20 will be the exact same as row 19, so you will chain 2, double crochet into that same stitch, and then double crochet into that first chain space, chain 1, double crochet into that same chain space, and repeat this all the way around the row just like you did in the last row. So here we are at the last row, row 21. You're going to chain 1, single crochet into that same stitch, and then you're just going to single crochet around until the end of the row. Once you're finished single crocheting that last row, you're just going to slip stitch and pull your yarn through. So cut your yarn, act like you're going to do a single crochet, and just pull your yarn straight through to make that little knot to tie off your work. And then next you will just need to weave in your ends. And there you have it. This is the Spellbound Slouchy Beanie. You have the lace detailing on the brim here. And it's a fairly simple design, but it can just go with just about anything. It looks great in every color yarn. So if you like this pattern today, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more crochet patterns, and we'll see you back here next time.